Ready to rock and roll? Alright, so I consider myself an accidental model as I initially wanted to be a French language tutor, having done my master's in French. But that changed when I took part in my first beauty contest, the Grape Escovate Queen, on the insistence of a few of my friends. I happened to win it, and that opened a plethora of opportunities for me in the modeling world. I've done numerous fashion weeks, Goa Fashion Week, Blenders Pride Fashion Week, and lots more. Being in front of the cam makes me feel like $1,000,000 and always in my element. It's something I totally enjoy. I've also had the opportunity to work with the likes of designers like the late Wendell Rodrigues, Monty Sally, Rocky S, James Ferrero, and many more names. I decided to work in Goa because I felt that it has a very peaceful, easy breezy work atmosphere, and also the best thing is that I had my French teaching assignments happening here side by side with the modeling. So it was like a win-win for me. Shortly after, I got handpicked as a finalist for the Pond's Femina Miss India contest, which happened in 2012. I got trained by the industry's best, and I managed to secure the title of Miss Glowing Skin, besides some well-treasured memories. Unfortunately, I didn't win the main title, which did upset me for quite a while, but in retrospect, I think everything worked out for the best, because now I got to, I grew a lot as an individual. I improved my skill set as a model, having been groomed by the best. I learned to value myself a lot more, besides being a lot more determined in the pursuit of my goals. Well, then my modeling and acting graft took off like crazy post Miss India. I traveled all over India on work, as well as abroad. What happened next was that I got my next big break in the movie Welcome Millions, where I played the lead role of a double agent who uses people's minds against them. So that was pretty exciting. Yep. Then I've done numerous ad shoots for brands like Coffeeza, T-Trunk, Delton Royale, and many more brands. What's funny is that as a teacher, I'd sometimes have students come up to me in class with cuttings of me in magazines and papers, walking the ramp or at a page 3 party, so that was funny. Nevertheless, I took my teaching very seriously. I've taught at numerous schools and colleges in Goa, and here's me. In fact, I had the opportunity to go to France to work as an assistant English high school teacher there. This is me on holiday at a beautiful mountain peak, Garmisch in Germany. I had a blast, as you can see. And this is me. I love my singing. Here's me with an amazing Goan jazz maestro, Colin de Cruz, in the middle of a recording session. And I love jazz music, so I made sure to record as much jazz music as possible to post on my YouTube channel. So make sure to check it out. If music be the fruit of love, play on. And of course, everything was smooth sailing. I was getting good work. I was very happy with the opportunities coming my way in the modeling, teaching, and singing field. Everything was going well until the lockdown had to rear its ugly head. But, well, my learning from the lockdown is that life goes on, and the one unfortunate part was that entertainers like myself unfortunately have to suffer, because while people are busy at home binge watching Netflix and watching programs online, live, what happens is performers usually have to suffer because there's really hardly much work coming our way in the real world. What happened here is that luckily I had food on the table, and I had a roof over my head. I was very secure living with my family. But what was unfortunate is that what I really wanted was recognition for my efforts, to be recognized as an artist. And so I made sure to teach French online, because French is in very high demand. That worked out well. And what I also wanted to do was make more music, because I love my singing. So I made sure to make some original content as well as parodies. And this is one song called Locked in Quarantine. I made this song featuring over 30 people, and I put together some beautiful dance moves. I made this into an action song, and it went pretty viral, and I was really happy about that. It's all about the quarantine and lockdown. This other song is about my birthday. Here I'm basically talking about living in the moment, just cherishing all that life throws at you, good and bad, because you have to be your best cheerleader in life. There's no one else to do it for you. One more thing I learned is that in this new normal world, we have to be prepared for anything that life throws at us. And I used to get very depressed at times being at home, and because I'm so used to being more social and getting out there. But thanks to my family's support, I got through that low phase. Online interactions, as we know, can be so boring. And thankfully, we're having Pecha Kucha here and not online, which is so beautiful among so many lovely faces here. Here I made sure to learn to cook. I made some sushi rolls, and I also learned to make some amazing vegan smoothie bowls, which I indulge in a lot. I also made it a point to raise my profile on social media like YouTube and Facebook, because that's something I've been very passionate about. And I feel that it's so important in life, which is so unpredictable. It's so important to just try to connect with nature, find yourself, have no expectations out of life, and let things roll, because life goes on, come what may. Life just goes on. We need to be prepared for anything that comes our way. There's no point in getting tense. And this was not the first pandemic, it's surely not going to be the last pandemic, but because it happened for the first time in my lifetime, I'm sure that I'm going to be well prepared for the next time. So bring it on. Thank you.
Give it up for Joanne.